Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dominique Hart, your premier realtor here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina, serving the surrounding areas as well. Today, guys, we are taking a look at a beautiful townhome, Tripoint Homes. The name of the community is 15 Cannon. You guys, super cute townhome. All the vibes here. Call me today. I'm not even going to say anything else. Let's take a look. What a nice garage. You guys, what I love about this home is that it's planned out as a 3-bedroom, but you can also have this as a 2-bedroom with an office space. That room upstairs, you can actually put French doors on it. This is their plan too. In that community, 15 Cannon. You guys reach out to me via email or text. I would really love to show you this model. I know a lot of you guys are looking for a home where you can actually work from home but still have a lot of space. I always tell you guys, please remember the salespeople that work in the model homes work for the actual builder. Contact me today. There's no money out of your pocket. You guys don't pay me anything, but I would love to assist you in your negotiations to get you the best rate, to get you the most seller concessions on your home. Let's chat today. Talk to you soon. Bye.